Hello, welcome. My name is Manuel from Kata Studios. Today we're going to learn how to add sub-regional e-commerce locations in an e-commerce store. So I'm going to show you what this practically means. So for instance, we have a product in the store and we can hit on checkout directly so we can find those locations. Now, as you can see, we have selected Lagos as our state region, and in the most cases, you won't find the other options to select specific region. Even if you add the specific region you need here, like Ikeja, you won't be able to get the location cost for Ikeja specifically. Okay, for instance, I choose Kwara, and there won't be any shipping location for Kwara. Even if I clear this out, there won't be any shipping location for there because we did not designate any location for Kwara. That is by the way. But we only did for Lagos, which is what I'm using for this example. And no matter what particular sub-region you add here, the state, province, or the county, it won't actually apply to the cost of delivery for shipping logistics. So I'm going to be teaching you how to add this, okay, and make it easier for your client to select locations like this specifically and get their prices calculated automatically with the rest of the things. So what this simply means is that you'll be able to add as much sub-regions as possible based on the details you want to provide. As you can see from here, you can provide different details. So your clients can choose their location, fill in whatever they want to fill in here as their city or town. Then they can proceed with selecting whichever delivery location they want. And now this delivery location could also be delivery options. For instance, a particular shipping company like God is Good and 5-star might be going to the same location. There could be two different locations with the same detail but different logistics companies with different prices. I hope you get the point. So it doesn't only limit you to adding these for sub-regional for locations, it also applies to adding it to multiple more logistic company variants or variations. So now let's get into the dashboard and let me show you exactly how this works. So to do this, you already know that this should be an e-commerce website, okay? And to do this, you have to hover on WooCommerce and then click on settings from over here. So from there, you can click on shipping. And from shipping, you will see add zone, okay? Now, we've already added a zone called Nigeria and Nigeria, Lagos in Nigeria, and what other locations we want to add in Lagos in Nigeria. These are the locations we want to add. Now, let me tell you where people get this complicated or where people get this confused, not understanding how this actually works, and some persons want to get into using code to apply this. Now, let's add a new region. So we're going to call this region Nigeria. Okay, which is the country. This should be the country, okay? Now, the regional zone is where you now select whatever region you want. So I want to select Abia State. Then I go down and I select Abia State. Now, remember, we have selected Lagos, and this is the option that we have for Lagos, okay? Selecting this Lagos means we have applied the option to Lagos. All locations are available, mind you. All locations are available. All locations in Nigeria are available, as you can see. All locations are available, but it is only the ones you add to the shipping location tab that will only apply prices to it based on the prices we apply to this. I hope you get the point now. So now you can also add multiple more locations. We can say we want anybody buying from Abia State and Abuja and Adamawa to be charged a specific amount. So we want to charge them. Where you use this is where you want to divide a country into geopolitical zones, okay? For instance, you want to say north, south, west, and east. So those locations, we have a specific prices. We'll be having a more detailed or complex tutorial on that. Let me show you how to actually get specific prices or how to actually evaluate prices and put them in ranges where they will be approximate to the pricing that other companies charge for that particular regional locations. That will be a little bit more detailed, okay? There will be doing more on calculations and all of that. But for now, we are going with a simple formula. So we are assuming that Abia State, let's not use Abia State and this other location. Let's use Imo State because Imo State is very closer to Abia State. So now you're going to choose states that are very close to this particular location. And where you do this is in cases where you want to make it easier for yourself and the client and the people who are actually purchasing to select whatever state they select automatically. That state we have that particular price. So we put Abia State and we put Imo State, okay? So now, when we are done with this, we put as many shipping zone we want to put from here. That is, we are good to go. Now, what we need to do next is to what? Click on add shipping zone. But first of all, save this, and then you can click on add shipping zone. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. We have free shipping, we have flash shipping, and we have local pickup. Local pickup is in case the client is in a location where the customer is. For instance, the client is in Abia State and the customer is in Abia State. So we can add a pickup location in Abia State, even though we have added Abia State as a zone. We add the pickup location and we proceed. I want to start with that one. And pickup location, we can call it the name of the store. We can call this Kata Store. 123 Abia Street, opposite Kuna Designers Hub. Okay, so this is our pickup store, and we can have as many pickup store in one location or many pickup store in one country. Okay, now we select this pickup store, and in taxable, we need to put this as none because we won't want to tax somebody who will be coming down to pick up their product with their own transport fare. And the cost will be 0, of course. So we create this zone. So we've created this zone, and as you can see from there, this is the location zone we have available. Now, we need to create another zone for these two locations again. Okay? So we click on add shipping method, and mind you, if we are creating this zone, if you are creating this zone, let me show you, which is pickup, we don't need to use double locations like Abia State and Imo State. No, because this location is only found in one location, on one particular location. So for pickup, I will suggest you create its own zone separately. So when people pick up on that zone, automatically that's the only thing that will apply. But I'm just putting it here just in case, but I'm going to show you what that means in the front end. But for this case, we are supposed to have only one pickup for one location, one pickup zone for one location, because you can't have this store located in Aba and also this store location located in Imo State. I hope you get that. I just wanted to use this for an instance. Now we'll click on add shipping zone. We are going to go with flat rate this time, and we continue. And in flat rate, this is where we start adding these informations that we are talking about. This is the one that is flat rate. Let's copy this. Okay. And we are going to put the location of the flat rate here. You see how long that is? This is where we put the flat rate. So some people just leave it like that, and they don't know that this is the place you can just add that. This is just a kind of bypass to that. It's not like this is how it was built. Okay, so now I added Abia Island Extreme Area, blah, 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 same location. Then we put taxable. For this one, we want it to be taxable because we want to charge for this. And what is the cost we want to charge? Now, taxation is different from the shipping cost. Taxation is in case the logistic company charges extra for a particular amount of shipping, possibly on weight or possibly on the amount of shipping products you are actually pulling. That's taxable. And also, in cases where government of your country charges a certain amount of money for whatever you sell, that's taxation. Okay? Now, I'm going to be talking about the other one for the logistic companies have their own taxation, and we are going to be differentiating, but bear in mind that this taxation, this is what it means. So if you're not charging anybody anything, or you're in a country that, or you are doing a business that doesn't actually apply you to pay taxes, you can put this on none. And here is where we add our price for this specific location. So this location will be charging 3,500. Okay? And we create the shipping zone. Now you see we have two shipping zones, pickup location, and we have the other one, which is this one. Now we have another shipping zone called free shipping. Now free shipping applies to you selling a product that you don't have to push to the location. That's free shipping. Possibly an instance of free shipping is digital products. Maybe you're selling a book online and stuff like that. Digital products, courses online, those ones are going to use free shipping. Okay, because you may have shipping locations applied. When people are checking out, they can add their shipping details and also the billing detail. Billing form is different from shipping form. When I will be talking about those for the checkout, I'll teach you the difference from those. Now, we have free shipping from here. We can leave this as free shipping, or we can call it whatever, free. Or we can call it, and also you can also do free shipping when you are on a promotional discount, or maybe you are selling a product where you want to give out for clients. You want to make it easier for clients to purchase from you, so you give them a free shipping opportunity for them not to pay for shipping at all. So you put this option and a requirement, a valid free shipping coupon. So they can add a valid free shipping coupon to get this option, or minimum order amount. If you want this minimum order amount, it means that if a client purchases any product that is more than 300,000 naira, they will get free shipping. Okay, that is for this minimum amount. Then a minimum order amount or coupon. This one is whether they did have a coupon or they have this option. So if you select this option, they will either reach this. If they don't reach this price, then they should be able to provide the coupon. I hope you get that. This is a minimum order amount and coupon. This is, they must have to reach this amount and must also have to have the coupon to get this free shipping. I hope you understand that. So that's how it works. So we can create this for no requirements. The person can just get a free shipping for you. So we enable that and we are good to go. We have created for Abia State and Imo State. Okay. So now we are done. We have already saved our work. We can proceed back to the shipping. Click on the shipping location here. You will now see that we have two shipping locations. We have Nigeria, Lagos, and we have Nigeria, Abia State, and Imo State. And in Abia State and Imo State, we have the store pickup, we have the flat rate, and then we have the free shipping. Let's test this from the front end and see how it works. So we're going to refresh this page. And we go to Lagos. We are not going to select Abia State. Let's get to the top, Abia State. And you see we have option for free shipping, which is the store pickup. Now, I'm going to talk about something here very quickly. Now, we have this free shipping here, which is still at no cost. And then we have the other one, which is automatically going to apply to the total cost of the product we are picking. Now, look at this very quickly. We are going to edit this. If you want to edit, just click on this. Now, we understand that we have two free shipping here, but there is no specification that this is our store pickup. Now, this is how to do that very quickly and simple. Okay, so you don't get people confused. Edit your store pickup, and in this one, you have to write it store pickup. Okay, and you save. Perfect. So now when we get to the front end and refresh again, we'll see now we have store pickup here. So it's easier for people to know this is a store pickup. You can even possibly make it a capital letter to make it more obvious. Perfect. So now we save and we refresh again. And here we go. So you see we have store pickup. We see the store pickup and it is for free. So making it easier for people to pick location. Now we selected Abia State. What's this other state we also added? We added Abia State and Imo State. So if we search for Imo and select Imo State, we'll still have the same shipping locations available. You see the store pickup issue I was talking about before, it will still apply because it is just the one we added for that option. If you want to separate it, you know what to do. Very simple. Anyone you didn't add, you will have this error message. Okay? If you want to learn how to build beautiful websites like this, you can join our web design course. You see the link in the description below, by the way. Now, that is it for this one. You want to create as much shipping zone as possible. You can do that from here by adding shipping zone. Mind you, remember, you add a country first, add the location you want to add, and then you start adding, you save it, then you start adding your shipping location based on the instruction I gave for this. Okay? If you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section below. Okay? For now, my name is Manuel from Kata Studios. We're bringing you more lessons like this. Do have a wonderful day.